You already know what you need. You've just been taught not to believe yourself. Welcome to day 8 of the 30-day self-trust challenge with me, Kathy Richards, registered dietitian. Your body speaks in sensations, not words, right? So those sensations that our body speaks to us in, it's in a way we're learning our body's language. So it might be tightness, ease, it might be having lots of energy, it might be feeling heavy. And it's data. Our body's giving us data, not drama. So the invitation for day 8 is to name one sensation that you notice today. So it might be, for me, it's often a tightness in my shoulders, or I'm kind of um, hunched in on myself. Or it could be feeling really restless and not kind of settling to focus or get things done. Some days it can be feeling really calm, and just easeful time through the day. Or sometimes it can feel like heavy, like we're just kind of walking through, something really, really heavy and it's hard to move. There's lots of examples. You can sit and do a body scan and see what, certain parts of your body feel like. But that's the invitation today to name one sensation that you notice. And if today felt hard, if all you noticed was numbness, that still counts. Okay? So we're learning our body's language. Join me again tomorrow for day number 9.